It's hump day and the markets go bullish. My name's Dez here at Grok Trade. It's Wednesday, March 18th, 2015. Yesterday was St. Patty's Day, and today starts a whole new day. The market's going sizably bullish. The S&P up 1.2%, the same for the Dow. NASDAQ not quite up 1%, but close. Small caps lagging a little bit, only up 0.7%. Banks really doing poorly, down 0.7%. So the financials did not support today's rally at all. Precious metals did very well. Gold up 2%, silver up 2.8%. I'm long silver. Big move on volume on the spiders. Remember, if you look up here in the upper left, this is Spider S&P 500 ETF. Looking at the ETF, exchange traded fund. You can also see that back here, Spider. I'm using Trading View, Spider S&P 500 ETF, and it does give us volume ratings, which is very nice. As you'll notice, we've been talking about this big rising wedge on the S&P 500. Today we had the big pop. We had the Fed come out saying that they are pretty certain that they're going to probably raise interest rates come this June. They got rid of the term being patient, quote unquote. Patient is now gone. They're not going to be patient, and they are being cautious on moving forward with a rate increase. But nonetheless, that news helped the markets go bullish today. Nice pop. Actually, I'll share with you here shortly about some killer trades that I pulled off and share with you some money that I made on it. If you look here at the NASDAQ, nice rally above the 20-day moving average. Small caps, even though it was laggy, boom, busted over some big resistance. Yesterday we said we did break over an area of resistance, this red line. Today it broke the trend line. Gang, we're no longer in a rising wedge on the Russells. Now, let me tell you something that could happen. It's a little more advanced discussion here. But if this breaks out and immediately comes back in, this is going to be called a jab. It's where it leaves the confines of a trading pattern. In this case, our rising wedge leaves, but immediately comes back in. It jabs and comes back in. If that happens, mark my words, you're going to see a significant sell-off in the markets. The last thing we want to see is that to happen. We need to see more follow-through or some consolidation and follow-through. But right now, everything is pointing bullish. I picked up a lot of longs today and fed myself a lot of profits based off of techs and the markets going bullish. That said that I'm long silver. Silver here, yesterday had this gap down run up. Yesterday was the tell on silver. Yesterday was a big wake up that right there was an awesome formation looking for a potential breakout of this falling wedge. A falling wedge is more bullish than is bearish. And then boom, to the upside on big volume, confirming that. I'm very happy with this trade, but we did stall at the falling, decreasing 20-day moving average acting as resistance. I would like to see it just blast through that. And I'll share with you a couple trades. There's a new service that we're providing, and we trade the list that we give you. So YY happens to be one of them on the list. What I don't like is the volume hasn't flowed through yet, but I am now long YY. Look at the formation. Drop, up, drop, and then today confirmation, pop. Right here you have a W or a double bottom, W for winner, W for wow, W for wonderful, W for Woodruff, my last name. So here we got a pop. The only thing it's missing is confirming volume. Don't have that yet. If we do start to go higher and volume does increase, I will add to my position. Now, how could you have been alerted to this? You simply want to go to grokstatpicks.com. That will help you, grokstatpicks.com. And what we are doing is this weekend we have a mentorship. Now, should you be a part of the mentorship? The answer is yes, especially if you've been through the 101s, and definitely if you've been through the 201s. Step 1, 101, step 2, 201, step 3, mentorship, but it starts off with a 3-day immersion. So Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, it's all done online. We want to mentor you, but what's great here is this lasts for a lifetime. If you want to lock arms with us forever to allow us to help you in your trading from this point forward, this weekend, contact Carolina at groktrade.com. Catch you later.